Hey, Eric here. So today I want to show you my new version of the Weapon Manager, and this time it's a lot and way better and more easy to use. So, um, my first version you have to use or need the inventory module from Game Creator 2. In this time you do not. So, on the player you have to attach two scripts, the weapon manager script itself and the weapon input handler. In the reference, you put your player into it. This show you the weapon. Um, you can use a melee fallback weapon if you want, or if not, let all three empty. Everything is working fine. So the safe system database is you put all your weapons from your game into this array here. It's more in brain, yeah, call it brain. So the weapon manager knows, okay, there are, I don't know, 5, 10, 20, 50 weapons in the game. And if the player loot or pick up one weapon, the manager knows, okay, this is the shotgun, for example. I know that weapon, it's okay. We can use it. So when you pick up a weapon, um, you can see the list is not empty. Then you have the, I don't know, SMG weapon or the shotgun weapon into the bag. It means you have actually loot a weapon and can use it. Yeah, inputs enabled. I created a instruction for that. So it means when you open up a menu, uh, option menu or a build menu or a quest menu and so on, you can use the instruction to block the inputs for the weapon manager. So when you have to use number keys 1 to 9 or the mouse wheel, um, or for the radial wheel, for the weapon wheel, um, all these inputs are blocked, and you can use all the buttons in the menus normally without changing weapons or do some weird stuff. This is only a check boolean, and here is the weapon input handler. Yeah, I mean, you can see here quick swap, scroll, weapon, number keys, weapon wheel or holster. Put your input actions into it and you're fine. Yeah, so under tools, we have the weapon system itself. It generates a UI foundation. Create a canvas, name it weapon UI or something else, and it creates the weapon UI controller, UI panels. You have the ammo panel group or the weapon wheel. So this time I do not want to create a list for the weapons. I mean, for what? You have a weapon wheel and a clean UI is a good UI. Or HUD, sorry, not UI, a clean HUD. And you can use an inventory list for something else. I don't know, for loot, materials, so stones, wood, whatsoever. The ammo panel is connected in the weapon manager script and other scripts with the shooter weapon asset from Game Creator and the ammo asset or the magazine. So it means this container here is this one, the ammo icon. You pick any icon sprite you want. The text is connected with the magazine asset. You can choose the total ammo, the magazine ammo, or the weapon name. In this case, I do not have any magazines. I have one total amount of ammo, like in Doom or Quake. So if you have the same like me, you can delete the divider or the total text, or you can put it more together and set the text total to weapon name. So it shows the total ammo, and behind them you have shotgun or rocket launcher. It's for your favor. Do whatever you want. And it creates the weapon wheel container. So you have the middle part here. Choose a picture or let it empty, then it's invisible. And it creates 8 slices. If you use a gamepad, you can put the right stick action into this to choose a weapon from the weapon wheel. And it creates this 8 slices here with an highlight animation. So for example, slice 1 is this here. Choose your sprite, and the icon, the weapon wheel gets the icon from, oh, I have it here, from the weapon asset itself. So put the icon sprite in the weapon asset and you're fine. It will show the weapon icon. Yeah, this is it for the UI part. It's super easy, super fast. You can adjust and move it around freely. There's nothing locked. So if you want it in the middle or left corner, right corner, bottom corner, and so on, it's up to you. Good. The weapon equip, I do it this time like in my Hivemind manager. I think that it is so easy to use the normal easy game creator 2 way to equip or unequip. So create some actions and that's it. In the script, there are 2 functions, the equip actions or methods, equip actions and the unequip actions or method. These 2 methods, searching or looking for the child object in your player. So for equip, it looks for weapon equip actions and unequip, for unequip actions. So create 2 empties, name it like this, and then this is the only super important step. With these 2 names here, you have to name all your actions like your weapon assets. So if it is this called SMG weapon or only SMG or Tommy gun or something else, name it like your weapon asset. Then everything is working. So weapon equip action, this is the standard game creator 2 way attach prefab with the handle equip weapon. In this case, you can use it here the same way, remove the prop and then unequip, or do it like this here, remove the prefab on the unequipped section in the weapon asset. Both are fine and working very well. So this is it for the equip and unequip actions. Weapon manager itself, the UI. So now I'll show you short the instructions itself. So new category, weapon manager, weapons. So if you pick up a weapon, it looks like this. Only you use this instruction to add a weapon. This will add this weapon in game to your bag, so you can use it. If you do not have a weapon equipped, it will equip automatically, and it works for melee weapons too. So not only for shooter weapons, melee weapons working fine as well. So yes, so you have the add weapon and the remove weapon. So if you want to loot a new weapon or put it to the ground or something else, I don't know, you can holster the weapon. Is this the right wording? I don't know. Holds the weapon, holds the current weapon. So if you have a weapon, I have the input action. So if you need or want to push a button to unequip or holster the weapons, or if you have a cinematic scene also, then you can use the instruction holds the current weapon and it does the same. Then you have the instruction for set weapon manager inputs, so you can block this with the instruction like I said before, and a save and weapon save and load weapon loadout. So instruction save weapons or load weapons. This is working together with the game creator to remember option, so or function. Choose a name variable and create a string, and then the instruction will save all your weapons do you have right now into the string. If you switch the scene or load a game on the next day or so, then choose the instruction load weapons, so it will remember, oh hey, we have 8 weapons in the bag. It will load the loadout and you're good to go. You have a trigger, only one, so you can, on weapon change, I don't know, I created, maybe if you want something special when the weapon is switching, some visual effects, or I don't know, you can do whatever you want, but maybe it's useful. And I have an condition. So has weapon in bag, or has weapon in bag. So use the weapon, I don't know, for if you want to upgrade a weapon. So for example, you have a normal shotgun, double barrel, and you want to upgrade it to a fire shotgun, lightning, triple shotgun, also whatsoever. You can use it if the player have this weapon or has this weapon. Then do your logic with, I don't know, are you level 20 and have 685 coins in your bag, then you can upgrade it to the triple barrel shotgun. Yeah. Remove the shotgun, the double barrel, add the triple barrel or triple shotgun, and you're done. I think you understand what I mean. If you remove a weapon, the weapon will automatically unequip, so there's no error or something else. Yeah, that's it. Super easy. And the weapon wheel. So you have two weapons, will automatically equipped. You have here the total ammo of 500 in this case. You have the divider and the weapon. Then you had shotgun weapon. Yeah, the name is refreshing. So that's the mouse wheel. That's the quick swap. If you only have one weapon, yeah, it makes sense. The quick swap won't work. And this is the weapon wheel. So works very well. And on the weapon wheel you have a slow motion effect. We all know that when you play Doom Eternal. So I thought that this a very cool function, looks cool. Yeah, I think that's it. Give me 1 second. No, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you the next time.